Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 Buick Enclave Avenir featured in rich garnet metallic with whisper beige seats and a 20-inch aluminum wheels. Under the hood there's a 3.6-liter V6 paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include power moonroof, heads-up display, Bose speaker system, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Some safety features include a backup camera, 360-degree camera, lane change alert, blind zone alert, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows, and powered mirrors that can fold in with that there. If we click it, it's going to fold in, and we can click it again, and it's going to fold back out for us. Down below we have our trunk controls, some storage, and our Bose speaker. On the side of the door we have Avenir badging. On the left side of the driver's seat we have our power seating and lumbar options. Here are the seats. We can go ahead and take a step inside here. Just to the left when we get in we have our power park brake as well as our heads-up display and our lighting control. We can start her up here. There in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls, as well as our hands-free Bluetooth controls. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. We can take a look at our infotainment screen here. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone for Bluetooth. Also take a look at the navigation. And it also comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can take a look at the backup camera here. We also have the 360-degree camera and a few more camera options as well. These are the sides. Another one at the back there. Below that we have the controls for the infotainment screen. And below that we have our climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. Here we have a wireless charger, as well as a USB-C and USB plug-in. We can lift this up to reveal 2 cup holders, and we can take a look at our center console. And we can go ahead and open that up. We have a storage compartment above. We can also pull that up to reveal a ton more storage below. Take a look at our rear view mirror here. If we want, we can flick that up to put it in the digital display. Just above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with dome lights, as well as a sunglasses holder and the controls to the sunroof. Here's the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the 20-inch wheels, Avenir badging along the bottom, color-matched mirror caps and door handles with a chrome accent, as well as keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can go ahead and make our way to the back here. And it's a hands-free liftgate, so all we gotta do is simply kick about here. It's gonna open up for us. Plenty of space back here. We have some extra mats. We can also lift this up here to reveal a ton more storage below. And these seats can also drop down with those buttons there, giving you a ton more space. And to close it up, all we gotta do is push the button there. It's gonna close for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door, power windows with some storage below, and our speaker, Avenir badging along the side. Here we can take a look at the seats. And you can also drop them down just by pulling this for a ton more storage. We can go ahead and hop in here. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. Here in the middle we have our rear climate control with the rear heated seats, as well as a 3-prong plug-in and 2 USB plug-ins. Moving up to the top here we have our rear vents on either side, as well as our handles on either side, and dome lights at the top. You also have a rear sunroof here, and it's the same setup in the back with the vents on either side, dome light at the top. Here are the back seats, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 Buick Enclave Avenir. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.